Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Anna. So I wanted to share with you the unboxing of my loaded flower pot that I received back from my partner. Her name is Lisa, and she did an amazing job, guys. I had to take it out of the box because, I don't have a whole lot of table space, so it's just easier to do it this way. But anyway, so we had to make 4 rosettes, and I think these are her rosettes. Anyway, so she made fabric ones. It looks like she may have used some kind of trim. But anyway, these are so cute. Look at that. I love this one. I love appliques. And I just love this one. I think I'm going to do something special with this one. And this one also has an applique and a big flat back. This one has a flat back and silver center, and this one is pink with silver. And look at that cute little bag topper, guys. That is adorable. I like that. I want to say I may have just gotten some of those in, but maybe not. Anyway, that's super cute. And I love that actually that's a big bag topper, and I don't know if she has a Cricut or a Silhouette or something like that, but I had not seen one that size, and I like that. Anyway, so those are her rosettes, I believe. And then we had to include a tag, and this is her tag. And this is another one of those toppers, and that is so adorable. Look at that. I like that heart. I don't know. I like that heart, and she used another one of those little bling centers and another little applique doily on the back. And look at this. You know what? I'm going to take this out. She's got her information on the back. And then, yeah, look at that. That is so adorable. I don't know if she colored this or it came like that. I don't know, but it is so adorable. She stickled the hair and the little tattoos on her face as well, her eyes. And she may have used some glossy accents or something on her, like her eyes. Shimmery, not shimmery, but glossy. She may have done some glossy accents. Anyway, some more applique pieces in the corners and this beautiful trim on the bottom. I love that trim. And then this one on the top, she did a great job. I just love that. She is so pretty. But anyway, so yep, that was her information on the back and her tag, which is very pretty. I love it. And then we were supposed to make some bows, and here are her bows. And she used a satin ribbon. She put little centers on each one. And I love the fact that she's like me. She tries to use the same material throughout the project. So this matches that. This matches that. And I don't have a bird or anything yet, but the bird and the butterfly match. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Anyway, and here's another one of her little layering pieces with that beautiful bag topper. So there's that. And she included this beautiful envelope. Look at that. I don't know if she colors. Oh, no, this one's a puffy sticker. But anyway, she put this beautiful paper down. The bow. Beautiful bling. You can tell she spent some time on this. Love that. Look at that. Beautiful envelope. And I don't know what's in it, so... oh, she used Velcro for the closure. And let me see what she included in here. So that's the envelope. Oh, okay. Oh, she included some goodies. So she included some purple bling. And you know what? I have nothing purple. No purple bling. So that is pretty. Look at that. I love purple. And then she included some Hero Arts stamps. Oh, I love this. Let me see if I can... Let me use this. Look at that. That's awesome. I love these. I do not have one like this. That is so awesome, Lisa. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I love that. Oh, I love that. Okay, so that, and then she included Miss Sparkle & Co. Some big bling pieces. Look at that. Those are pretty. I've seen these, and I don't know, I've just never picked one up. And then the Bo Bunny layered chipboard. Oh, beautiful. Thank you, Lisa. Oh, and she did another one. Look at that, guys. I don't know if I can... Here, look at that. Let me see if I can... I think those are one of the layering. Beautiful heart. Let me see. I think it might be one of those sets where you put them on. You put them. I have a Tim Holtz platform for a stamping platform, and I believe you stamp one in one color, and then you stamp another in another color and another color, and you get a beautiful result. And I think that's what this is. I can't wait to play with it. Okay, so thank you so much. Ah, that's awesome. Okay, and then she included some pieces, some cut aparts from the paper pad that she used. Let me see what she included. Have a good time. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I just love those colors. Oh, that's cute. Hello. Oh, that's pretty. And then she, this is another, oh, look at this one. Oh, lovely and free. And look at that, guys. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And there's another one. And here is another one. How pretty. Lovely and free. That one's nice and big. Hello, darling. And then this one matches this one. So pretty. Thank you, Lisa. I appreciate all the extras. I really, really do. And by the way, I really hope you enjoyed my swap to you. Guys, I'm going to link her. She made a video on the unboxing of the one I sent her. So I'm going to include that in the description box at the bottom. So here is her flower pot. This is her flower pot to me, and it's kind of hard to see because I can stand it up, but you guys can't see it. But look how pretty that looks. Look at that. And there's the back, and then here's the front. So I'm going to remove everything just so I can show you the flower pot. We'll go through that in just a minute. Okay, so she put a pocket in hers. Look at that. I'm going to put a hanging element. I'm going to hang this on my wall just because it's so pretty. Now this, I think it's, yep, it's paper. Yeah, it's paper. It's embossed and textured, and it's shimmery, and it's so pretty. Look at that, guys. My finger went through a mess. Anyway, and she used some of this really pretty brown and pink paper with this dangly trim, and then the little this trim on the top, pink flowers with a little bling in the center. I love it. I don't think I had seen that. I really don't. But anyway, she put a pocket in the center, which is really cool. It helped keep everything up, so that's really pretty. I love it. So in her, we were supposed to make two rosettes for the flower pot, and look what she did. She wrapped something around. It's not a straw. It might be a skewer, maybe, because it's thinner. But so she wrapped this. Isn't that awesome? She did such a great job. Look at that. She layered these pieces, it looks like, or it may have come like that. No, it's one piece. And she put her rosette on the back, and that's also embossed paper. And then a little doily in the next layer. And then the last one is a plastic piece, resin or something. And then she made it double-sided, so both sides are the same. Those are so pretty. So that goes in here. And then the next one she made is another one. She wrapped them all with this green I don't know, some kind of something. And then she used the same paper as on the pot, and she used some, oh, okay, this is some more of this stuff except in white. So I'm not sure what that is, guys. Let's see if I can, I'm not sure what that is, but yeah. So anyway, and then she made it double-sided, so both sides super dimensional. And then she also made some flowers, and she put them again on these sticks, and look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. She made she made 3 flowers. Isn't that beautiful? God, her flowers are so pretty. Look at the dimension on this one. God, they're all beautiful. So she included those, and she actually made another rosette, and this one she put a doily in the center, and then the paper one, and then another doily, some more of this stuff. I honestly don't know what it's called. And then blessings, the little flag on the top. That's so pretty. Look at that. She made it double-sided. Great job. Beautiful. And then, okay, and the next thing she has included is another tag, and this is so cute. So let me open this one. Sorry, Lisa, I just showed your entire name. Oh, but she has videos, so I think it might be okay. So that is such a cute little topper. Oh, she used some more of that really pretty trim. And this is her tag. Oh my gosh, isn't that pretty, guys? Love that. Look at that. Beautiful. All the pink bling. It says shine on the top. She's using the tiny little roses, and she went ahead and she put glitter on hers. Look at that. Very pretty. Oh, sorry, I don't even know if I was in frame. I was looking at it closely. And she put a couple of doilies on the back, and this beautiful little girly right here with the wings. That's so pretty. Thank you, Lisa. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, and then also in the pot was a shaker. It looks like. I'm not sure. There's another pretty, oh, look at this topper, guys. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. Love that. And then this is a shaker, and it's got a hanging element, and it is just filled with all kind of goodies in there. Yep, all kind of stuff in there. Oh, that's a beautiful mix. I don't know what this is, but I'm dying to turn it over. It looks like it's got hearts on the other side. Let's see if I can make it turn. No, not gonna do it for me. But that's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's a beautiful, beautiful mix. Look at this one, guys. Look at that one. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at the white one. Oh, look at the white one. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of goodness in here. Oh, thank you, Lisa. That's so pretty. She put another big bling piece on the top, and beautiful bow, and it's got a little hanging element. Very pretty. Trim all the way around. Beautiful. I love that, Lisa. Thank you. Okay, and then we were to include 2 cards. So here's her first one. It looks like a 2x3 maybe. Wrong end. No, that's right. Okay, 4 by 2 3/4. That's so pretty. I wonder if she may have colored this. Guys, you know I can't color to save my life. But anyway, so this is one of the cards. Very pretty with a matching envelope. Oh, another beautiful little topper there. And this is her second card. She made this one with the angel wings and a little flower. Guys, I hope I've been in frame. I'm looking at it under the camera. So this is her next one. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can't color. But that is so pretty. She did a really good job on her cards. And then we were supposed to include embellishments, and this is another one of her beautiful bag toppers. And look at that, the bird, the butterfly. Yes, see, she matched everything. I love that. I love to do that. So here are her embellishments. I don't think I've seen these anywhere. I don't know if she cut them out or what. But anyway, so she's got the wings with a little butterfly. The little birds are so adorable. And another butterfly with wings. There you go. Well, and that concludes the unboxing of my swap. Lisa, thank you so much. I appreciate everything. I really do. Guys, thanks for watching, and we will talk to everyone later. You guys have an amazing day.